Legend No Drill Hardware Kit. We designed this kit initially for the EV market because it was no longer possible to drill holes in your floor willy-nilly, mount plus nuts, run bolts through it, or weld for obvious reasons. Batteries are expensive, there's lots of cables that can zap, smoke, burn, ultimately just put a real hurting on your day. So we designed this kit so you could still mount to the floor and you could secure your floor to keep it from shifting around. Now, along the way, we discovered that this was great for many other applications, not just the EV market. A lot of people don't want to drill into the van floor because of rusting possibilities. And this kind of gives you a universal template to mount whatever shelving, tables you need to do in the back of your van. We're installing the Legend No Drill Hardware Kit in a Transit 130. Now, why is that important? Well, Transits, unlike most vehicles, Sprinters and ProMasters, do not have D-ring mounts securing the floor. They have their D-ring mounts on the wall. So what Legend designed is this bracket that fixes to the floor and utilizes the D-ring bolt to secure the bracket to the van. In this particular kit, you get a package of washers and bolts if you don't want to reuse the factory hardware or your van didn't come with the D-rings. You get a package of the bolts in the inserts for mounting your shelving, your tables, whatever else you're interested in mounting in your van. And you get another package of inserts and bolts to mount the 5 brackets that will hold your floor still in your Ford Transit. Young David, in the van, let's go. Oh, that Legend step is nice. RS3, baby. Oh, it's bright in here. These Legend motion sensing light kits really work. Now that I have the shelf where I want it in the van, I've pre-marked my holes. I'll move my shelf, drill my holes where I've marked, and install my provided insert. And then I'll put the shelf back and bolt it down using the provided bolts. Now, the Legend No Drill Hardware Kit has passed some of the most rigorous crash testing in the world. Check out this video from the UK.
But you're in all the videos you're in.
They're like, well, this kid can't do anything else, and he can't really even do this, but there's not very much expensive consequences. The Legend No Drill Kit, truly making your van floor completely customizable and able to work with whatever configuration you need.